Yo guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be doing some insane buys on Bloxflip. As you see on the screen, use code SALTSBALL, the link is in the description. And yeah, enjoy the video. 3 symbols, buy. Let's see. Oh god, that's so bad. That's literally so bad. Oh nice, full screen. Let's go. We got full screen.
Yeah, I wasn't looking. It is for free or you buy it?
I bought it. I bought 3 symbols.
Oh, how much?
220, something like that. Oh nice, this is good. We just need like the symbols we got are so bad. If we get a retrig, it could be good. Or just nice, this is good. That's good. 40 is good.
How much does it cost again?
220 something, I think.
Okay,
We could be, yeah, we're probably back. Come on. At least money back would be nice. Yeah, we're money back, nice.
Imagine full screen again.
Oh wait, it's only 5, never mind, we're not. Or like, break even almost. Would you want to try the bonus for 400?
It's on there.
Okay, chat, fuck it. 400 bonus, but come on, we need more than 3, otherwise it's really bad. Done bonus, yeah. Honestly,
Let's get this.
I didn't want to buy it, and I already know it was a mistake. It's not gonna drop.
It's gonna be max.
And the best color, trust. Okay.
Okay.
Adjust it. We need so many of those. Okay, good. That's
Nice.
good. Okay, if it keeps going like this, it's good. But if not, it's fucked. Please, we need another one like ASAP.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Nice.
Oh, good.
Okay,
That's good. That's good. Yeah, we're gonna see some.
Please, one more.
If it doesn't drop, I'm gonna be so mad. No, it has to. It has to.
Please, bro. Just land.
Oh my god, let's
Nice.
go.
Come. Oh my
Let's
god,
go.
that's scary.
That was. Oh my god, that was so scary. 2x now, everything. Just please drop. If nothing drops, it's still really bad.
This year so dumb. Come on, bro.
Yeah, this is like what I'm talking about. This lot. Let's see, bro.
it
Come
was
on,
not
like
again one
something
time.
drop, bro. Okay, that's good. That's actually so good.
Yeah.
We're almost money back just because. Okay, no, we're not. But like, it's really good. Like, yeah, it's almost money back. 50 away.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay, 30 down. It's good.
Yo,
to
Charlie.
buy it again.
W, yo. Let's try. Yeah, let's try buy it for 280. If it doesn't pay, I'm gonna be pissed. Okay, go fuck. I don't even know if this is good. It's probably good. I don't know. I think it's the Vestal symbol. I'm not sure. Yeah, probably. Come on.
DMs again, by the way.
Okay, 4, that's good. Oh. Thank you for the follow, Google. And thank you for the follow, Nominax. Yo, chat. Also, make sure you join our Discord. It's actually paying good. Join our Discord and check out our YouTube. New video there tomorrow. Firstly, oh wait, retreat.
Yo.
Or Lady Wolf. Oh, we were there a second ago. It's kind of scandalous. Come on, if this doesn't profit. Oh, what is supposed to profit? Oh wait, another retreat, what?
Yeah, check DMs again, by the way.
We don't usually do bonanzas, just like really rarely, because they scam us. Like, I swear I've got profit on bonanza like twice in my life. So shit. Chat, should we do a Nightbot giveaway or a giveaway on Discord? Everybody say bell in the chat if we should do it on stream right now. Say the word bell. Say bell. if we should. Wait, what are people saying Nightbot? Yo, you guys want to do Nightbot? Everybody wants to do Nightbot? Okay, chat. Okay, a lot of people want a Nightbot giveaway. Oh wait, 5, nice. That's good.
How much?
200.
225.
What?
Okay, man.
30 spins and no profit? Yeah, it's profit now, luckily. Chad, we're gonna decide on the giveaway if we should do it right now or on the Discord. Because on the Discord it's easier for us because we're tip banned and that's like the biggest issue. I would do it right now, but try digger buy.
Okay, what are we buying?
I feel like I wanna do 4 symbols for the end.
300? Okay, I'll do it.
Okay, 4 symbols for the end, chat.
4 skitters, please. Please.
Nice, okay, that's good.
Nice, that's good. 30 Robux.
30, okay, nice. 30 right off the bat. Not bad.
3 symbols buy, we did 4.
Try 3 symbols buy, not 4. We just did 3, and this might be good.
3
Yeah, this is literally so good. Oh my god!
Full screen.
Oh no. That could be so good.
Thanks.
Yeah. 15. This looked like such a good screen.
Yeah.
How much did it cost? Like 300, right?
Yeah. Maybe
Good.
do not keep it so it's take time.
Yeah.
Those the last ones.
After this, we're probably gonna end chat. Thank you so much to everybody who was here. Make sure to join our Discord and sub to our YouTube. New video there tomorrow.
49, okay, decent.
And yeah, we're probably gonna do a giveaway on the Discord. So join. Once we start gambling on the other side that we want to start gambling with, that's good. Once we start gambling on that side, it's gonna be way easier for us to giveaways like even with Nightbot. Because right now we're tip banned, but there we're not, so yeah, we're gonna be tipping way more than now.
Retrick?
Yeah, or 5, come on, 5.
Please.
Not even 5. Damn.
Stake?
Stake? Nah, it's a Roblox website, or like you gamble with Roblox as well. Stake, bro, I'm too small for
Retrick?
stake.
Oh my god.
We need a retreat or something. Retreat would be so good. Come on.
Yeah, come on.
Nice, good shit.
Nice.
Let's
That
go.
was so clutch.
That. Oh my god, that's so good.
Give us the third symbol. The third symbol is bigger. Okay, kings.
Okay, that's decent. Why is it skipping? I swear I don't even have my hand on my mouse.
Flip it on red? No.
Nah, bro.
Don't doing this thing.
Come on, pay up. Okay, 4, that's good. 40. Yeah, it's already profit. We have 8 spins.
No, it costs 400.
400?
Yeah. 382, I mean. Or something like that.
You think? It's 230 is 3 symbols. It's 300, bro. It must be 300, otherwise it's so not worth it. If this was 400, it's so not worth it. Must have been 300. Yeah, it was 300, trust.
Okay.
Come on. Nice!
Nice,
Good
again,
shit.
let's go. Bro, come on, give us full marksman script.
Yeah, we.
Give us the third symbol. Third at the top.
Oh god. It's fine, you know what? The 10 spins are really clutch.
Yeah.
And well, it always skips like 1 after the thing. I don't understand why. 23 viewers. Hey, what the fuck? Yeah, this is crazy, bro. Welcome to Digger. Yeah, maybe a good call. Honestly, maybe. Are you all Russian? Now we're from Czech Republic, both of us. Central Europe. And Monkey, thanks for the follow. Okay, it's paying, you know.
Yeah, 4 these and 4 these.
Yeah, this is good.
Decent. 9 spins left, it can be really good.
If it doesn't full screen even once, I don't understand. Like, there's so many. Everything is connecting.
Come on. 2 scatterers.
Yeah, like we're getting so many connections, but it's 10 Robux. What?
Full screen.
Okay, 4, not bad. 40, that's good. That's
Come
actually
on,
good.
give us full screen.
Last retreat, and I would be.
Did we get even full
Happy.
screen today? Profit.
Profit huge, yeah. Okay, 4Ks, that's decent. Like
40.
40. W call, yeah, W call. Who called that?
I.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know. Somebody for in chat.
You? Okay.
Come on, guys, retake again.
Yeah, retrig
Last
and it's
one.
over. Retrig and it's over. Okay, 4, that's
No,
good.
I mean, it's good. Like, look at the bend.
Yeah, it's huge. It's 400 win already. Oh god. Yeah, so that's fine. It's good. It's a huge win. I think maybe let's do a few free spins.